Let's learn Glass Half Empty. It's choreographed by Ryan King, Megan Tennant, Joshua Parker, Claire Parker, and Maddie de Silva. It is a 32 count, 4-wall improver level line dance with a tag restart on wall 3 after 14 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tag restart, and then we're going to go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Glass Half Empty. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do 2 walks forward, right, left. We're going to do an anchor step, bringing your right foot in and behind your left, recover onto your left foot, then step back with your right. When you do this anchor, you want to slightly angle your body to the right, using your step back to square you up to 12 o'clock. We're now going to do a left coaster step, stepping back with your left, together with your right, step left forward. Step forward with your right, do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 6 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your walks. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do right and left Dorothy steps. So you're going to step your right foot forward into the right diagonal, bring your left foot in and behind your right, step your right foot forward. Step your left foot forward into the left diagonal, bring your right foot in and behind your left, and then step your left foot forward. We're going to rock forward with our right foot, recover back onto your left, and then we're going to do a right coaster step, stepping your right foot back, step together with your left, step forward with your right. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our half pivot. You're doing your 2 Dorothy steps. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping our left foot to the left side. And as we do that, we're going to bump our hip, left, right, left, putting your weight onto your left foot. We're now going to make a half turn over our right shoulder, stepping our right foot to the right side to face 3 o'clock. And as we step, we're going to bump our hip right, left, right, putting your weight onto your right foot. We're now going to cross our left behind our right. Step your right foot to the right side, cross your left over your right. We're going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to do a quarter pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 12 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on our right. You're going to make that quarter turn doing your hip bumps. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to point our right toe forward, point our right toe to the right side, and then we're going to stomp in place, right, left, right. You're now going to point your left toe forward, point your left toe to the left side, and we're going to do a quarter turning sailor step. You're going to cross your left behind your right, make that quarter turn, stepping your right foot to the right side, and then step your left foot out to the left side to face 9 o'clock, and you're ready to start all over with your 2 walks. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left doing your points. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your walks. Walk, walk, anchor, step, coaster, step, step, half pivot. Dorothy, Dorothy, rock, recover, coaster, step, quarter hip bump, half hip bump, behind side cross, step, quarter pivot, point forward, side stomp, right, left, right, point forward, side, quarter sailor step. Now when I do this sailor step, I am stepping my left foot out to the side, but I like to make it slightly forward for me to go into that walk a little smoother. So now, let's talk about the tag restart. You'll be dancing wall 3. We're going to dance up to count 14 before we change anything. So let's face 6 o'clock. We're going to dance up to those 14 counts and then talk about our tag. Weight is on your left. You're doing your 2 walks. Walk, walk, anchor, step, coaster, step, step, half pivot. Dorothy, Dorothy, rock, recover. Right here, we are going to change the step slightly. Normally, we would be doing a coaster step. We're going to change it to a back together, and then we'll start the dance over again. So our tag is just stepping back with our right, step together with your left, and then you're ready to start the dance over again. Wall 4 will become your front wall. So on our first time around, we will skip the 3 o'clock wall. So let's dance with the tag up to that point. Weight is on your left, starting with your walks. Walk, walk, anchor, step, coaster, step, half pivot, Dorothy, Dorothy, rock, recover, do your tag back together, and then this is where you will restart the dance into your walk, walk, anchor, step. Now the tag is nice, full count, back together for 1, 2, and then you're ready to start over. Now the step sheet does not have an ending. Your final wall is a side wall, so if you're somebody that would like to end facing 12 o'clock, this is what I did in the demo videos. You will do your walk, walk, anchor, step, coaster, step, step, half pivot. What I did was make a quarter turn over my left shoulder, stepping my right foot to the right side to end facing 12 o'clock, but you can end the dance however you want because nothing is listed on the step sheet. So now, let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 4 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from the tag restart into the next wall. Weight is on your left, starting with your walks. Walk, walk, anchor, step, coaster, step, half pivot, Dorothy, Dorothy, rock, recover, coaster, step, quarter hip bump, half hip bump, behind side cross, step, quarter pivot, point forward, side stomp, right, left, right, point forward, side, quarter sailor, step, walk, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 14 counts, walk, walk, anchor, step, coaster, step, half pivot, Dorothy, Dorothy, rock, recover, do your tag back together, restart, walk, walk, anchor, step, coaster, step, half pivot, Dorothy, Dorothy, rock, recover, coaster, step, quarter, hip bump, half hip bump, behind side cross, step, quarter, pivot, point forward, side stomp, right, point forward, side, quarter, sailor, step. At this point, you will dance until the end of the song. After that tag restart, you have nothing else to worry about until the music ends. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the video demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn glass half empty. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.